Hello guys! So today we're going to look at a Python guessing game. Okay, so import random. Random is a file that can allow you to create these sorts of games, okay, with random numbers. So number equals random, a dot random int 125. Okay, so this line of code is not necessary. Okay? So you have a equals input of what is your username and everything. Yep. So this is pretty cool. So this whole thing, there's a while loop over here, you know. You should be familiar with all of this if you know Python. Okay, so now we are going to go and run this little project. Okay, so let's see. What is your username? I guess I'll just use my real name, which is Hector. Okay? Great, so I'll just put that. And would you like to play a game? Of course. So I'll just put yes. Thinking of a number between 1 and 25, I'll guess 19. Okay, I'll put 23. Okay, that's good. Oh, too low. 24, too low. I guess it'll have to be 25. Congrats, and it took 4 tries. Okay? Great. So let's try it again. What is your username? Okay. Would you like to play a game? Yes. Okay, 17, too low. 19, too low. 23, too high. 22, too high. 21, too high. 20. Right? Congrats, and it took 6 tries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now we're going to look at our last Python project, and it's going to be a function called over 9000, and it's going to take in a list and spit out a number. So here's the list. Now, what we're going to do is define a parameter, which is going to be 0. And for x in list, m is equal to n plus x. So we're just going to keep adding elements of the list. Okay? And if x is bigger or equal to 9000, it should just print m and stop. And if x is equal to 0, it should just print 0. And if x is smaller than 9000, it should just print the sum of the list. So now let's run our module. So now, okay, let's put over 9000, and I'm gonna put a few random numbers. Okay, 145, okay, so all of these numbers. But it's only gonna add up to 3,457, but why? Because if it's higher than 9,000, it's just gonna stop. That is, if it's lower than 9,000, it has to add a new element of the list. So that's why it's only gonna add up to 3,457.